Hey you guys, what's up? Nice to see you after a very long time. There's been a very big story behind me not putting YouTube vlogs these days. Not these days, quite a while. So yeah, I'm back again. I don't know if I'll be regular again, but I'll try my best to do it so yeah. So this vlog was shot around a year ago. Me along with my friends and a huge group had gone to some waterfall. I won't tell you the name. And it was kind of a biking and hiking kind of thing where we had to take the bike towards near the main venue, and from there we had to trek some distance to the main venue. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it still. See you.
Hey guys, what's up?
So we are heading towards waterfall now. I won't tell you the name of the waterfall. I'll tell you once I'm there. So see you guys later.
All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
So how you are enjoying the ride, bro? So how was it till now?
It has been a very good ride.
Rara, तू काय विचारलं? Hello guys.
2018.
Yeah. So how you are enjoying the ride, guys?
Oi.
Oi ki re? Good. How was it till now?
Till now, like I really enjoyed it. It was a safe ride till now.
Hey guys, what's up? So we have covered the bike ride and we'll be trekking from here to the main waterfall. And this place is located known as a Pali waterfall. And I'll show you what we find on the way, guys. So see you. So the organizers are distributing some fruits and water bottles. No, I got it. Thank you.
भाई फॉर्मली नाही काय नाही घरची केळी काय आणि
ना फॉर्मली आणल्यार चालतं सोडून घातलं.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
So we have almost covered 5 minutes of the way, and we are heading ahead. And here's Ritesh with me. He's having a gold shop in Mapsa market. Absolutely pure gold. Now we have to do one river crossing, and the current is really very high. Let's see how
river crossing.
That's the perfect way to do it. You just have to hold hands of each other and help each other, so that if one flows, then all flows. Do this.
This is Indo-Pak border.
One lady is carrying a parachute and she gave it to her husband.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
So almost covered around 15 minutes of the way. Not tiring at all. Exciting.
से देखिए इस जगह को, इस तरफ है पहाड़ और इस तरफ है खाई. You have to walk between this way.
So you have to walk properly.
There, and we can reach over there in 5 minutes.
Yeah. And that's and we can hear the sound of the water falling just from a very high altitude, and let's see what we find on the way. I don't know if you guys can see it on the screen, but this is almost 80 degrees steep, and you have to be very careful while walking through this way. Due to heavy rainfall, the fall which is on top is messed up. Like you can see, all water become dirty. We have made plan not to take bath, but to show you guys how the waterfall is. So we have made it till the main venue, that is Pali waterfall, as you can see behind me. And now I'll be hopping inside the water. Let's see how it feels inside it. So see you guys there.
We get that fresh glaze on the D-low, rolling up, smoking haze for days. We get that fresh glaze on the D-low, rolling up, smoking haze.
What's up? So that was the end of today's vlog, and today's day was really very amazing, and this waterfall was too good. So yeah, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video and share. Okay, see you guys.
Fresh glaze on the D-low, rolling up, smoking haze through the back door.